Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Daria from Kaya Academy and also welcome to my video. So as you can see from the title, today I will show you how to share YouTube videos starting at a certain point. Let's say that you want to share a funny moment of a YouTube video, but you don't know how to do it. So, by watching my video and following the steps that I show you in this video, you will be able to share those YouTube videos starting at certain points for your best friend. Yeah, I know, that's what most of us do. For example, what I do most of the time is, let's assume there's this YouTuber that I don't actually like. You know what? But my best friend wants me to like that person because when we're eating at her place or when we're, going somewhere in the bus, she wants me to be watching those videos with her. You know what she do? Like, all she got to do is to send me the video that's starting from that part. You know what I mean? Like, but she cannot do that. Like, she's sending me the whole video. Like, I really don't want the introduction part because I actually don't like that person right now. So what you gotta do is to send me the best parts. So you also know that tag tutorials that starts with 3 minutes of hey guys, what's up, are the worst. Sometimes I can be that person, but right now I'm trying to reach up there. I want to be that tag tutorial guy. That's what I want to do. So, like, yes, I know you also want me to get to the point most of the time. But today I will show you how you can bypass that part when sharing a video with your friends. I know you should watch so you can actually learn what I'm saying, hear what I want to tell you. But when you're sending it to your friend, yes, okay, that would be okay. I wouldn't get hurt if you would pass my first 3 minutes. That was your decision, at the end of the day. So there are like two ways to do this. So on your computer, we're gonna use the browser or on any platform by adding a few characters to any YouTube URL. So today I will show you how you can do it on your desktop. But before that, I have to find a good video that is good enough to share with my best friend, or maybe I shouldn't even be using this feature, and just like she does, I should be sending the whole video to her. Whatever, I'm not gonna do that. I'm a good person. I'm trying to be a good best friend, so let's find a video first, of course. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Okay. I don't know about this one. That's why I don't want to send, but I guess I know what to send. I'm going to send this one. Yeah. I don't know what this video is about, but let's go. So, what I'm going to do today is, do you see this share button? No, I know this video as is. Yeah, I've even liked it. So, we're gonna click here, share. And then, as you can see, we have, of course, by the way, you can also share this video. When you click share, let me tell you what to do here. If you want to share it in Facebook, Twitter, Blogger, Reddit, Tumblr, or this one that I cannot pronounce, or this one that I cannot pronounce, Hi-Fi, Pinterest, LinkedIn, or email, whatever comes to your mind. So you can also click here or embed this video. But today what I'm gonna do is to annoy my best friend. Yes, she's vegan. And now I remember the main reason why I was saying vegan and stand up most probably must be saying some things about veganism. By the way, I'm a big supporter, but I'm just trying. I couldn't get there yet. So I'll say start at, as I know the worst joke was like in the third minute. It was in the middle or something. But let me just send her like, this is just an example, so it doesn't have to be correct all the time. Let me send her like this. So what do I do is, as you can see, when I said start at 2:30, it has added this 150, right? When I remove it, you see, so you see this, right? This was added, this question mark t equal 150 when I close it. So the reason why I'm showing this, because I'm going to show you another method. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy it, and as you can see, link, copy it to the clipboard. Now you can just put it anywhere, whoever you want to, share it with. So now let's come to why I showed you like that w like question mark t equal 150. You know why? Like sometimes there's no built-in way to create such links on Android or iOS, or maybe you just, I don't know, maybe you just want to be quicker, so you just come here and put your things, right? So how we do that is this. Like in that link, let me show you that again. Let's go share again. And let me just say one. As you can see, it has added that question mark t and equal 60, right? So the question mark here actually, when used in an URL, it's like marks the beginning of a query. And the t equals here, this is what I'm talking about. It informs that YouTube that you want to start at a specific time. For example, this 60 is actually the second that it's gonna start from, like refers to the point where you want the video to start at. Like mine is in the 60th second. So knowing this, you can actually create your own such links without using YouTube's rules. You just add those things. So let's do this. Like, yeah, it's a bit clumsy, but it works. Just try it yourself, and now let me also try it myself. So I'm gonna send this video, right? What I do, I put a question mark t in this, and for example, if you wanted to start with minute 1 15 second, you write 75, and then you take all of it and you click right, and you say copy, and then you also save to say it is safe to say send to your friend or wherever you want to share it, of course. So I hope you understood what I was trying to do, and I hope that I was able to help you guys. And if you found this video helpful, which what I mean by that is you didn't know how to do it when you first came into this video, but now you do know it, that means this video was helpful and it should be liked. Yes, you should go and hit that like button. And also, if you have any questions about this process, about this last, I don't know, you can see here, right? These things, you can also ask me about that, or anything that is related to Twitter, YouTube, any social media platform or platforms, on comments, so I can come down there, read your questions, and then answer them one by one. By the way, if you have suggestions for me, for my content, or I don't know, you can let me know on the comments, so when I'm down there trying to answer your questions, I can also, I need your feedback. I want your feedback. So I will be reading them, and I care about them. Since I care about them, yes, not everyone does, but I do. I will be, if any action should be taken, like creating a new video, that write it down, done, check. So you don't need to worry about that part, just let me know. So now one thing is remaining. I know that you have already subscribed to my channel, but in case of maybe you're signing it with another account, that's why maybe that button is still red down there. But it's still cool. It's easy. You're just gonna click on that because it's easier than sending a video that starts at some point. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.